we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 136. Let me show you how you can pixelate faces. So we're going to use principles that I've already shown you in last tutorials. For example, filter, pixelate, mosaic. It's going to give us the pixelate effect, but we obviously only want to have that on faces. So let me cancel here, and then I press Ctrl J to copy this image layer, because we need it 2 times. Let me call the copy pixelate. This layer is active, and now I add on the filter, pixelate, mosaic, our effect. Maybe I'll go down a little bit with the cell size. Just watch one of these faces and then increase it with the arrow keys. 16 should be fine here. You can see there is already kind of like a layer mask here with the pixelate layer, but this is only for the filter. And we want to add one to the layer, so we have to click on this icon down here. Make sure that the layer mask is active. Should be white by default. Let's make it black. So we put black to the forefront. Use the paint bucket tool right here. G is the short key. Then left click on your canvas. Afterwards, activate the brush and make white your foreground color. Keep in mind we're still on the layer mask. Let me increase the size, maybe to 200, and I use this brush right here that feathers out, so the hardness is 0. And now I simply paint over the faces that I don't want to have, or that I want to have pixelated. So left click, drag. And if you have painted too much, just switch to black and then paint over it again to bring back one of these faces. And that's it. This is how you can pixelate faces in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.